guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making a crochet bandana. So all the materials we'll need is any cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, a yarn scissors or a thread cutter should be fine. So with no further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a magic circle and we're going to follow the X method. So we're going to take our yarn, wrap it around like this, and make an X like this. I'm going to take our crochet hook, go underneath, go behind, and pull up on a loop. I'm going to just unloosen our hands like this and pinch the magic circle like that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to chain 3, and this first chain 3 would act as the double crochet. So we're going to make a cluster of 3 double crochets. This first chain 3 acts as the first double crochet. So we're just going to yarn over and make 2 more double crochet stitches. Next we're going to chain 1, and we're going to make 3 more double crochet stitches into the magic circle. Now that we have a total of 2 clusters, we are just going to pull the tail of our magic circle like this. This is what it should look like so far. We're going to just turn our project over now this way. I'm going to chain 3 into the same space that we would have just made our chain 3. We're going to make 2 more double crochet stitches to form a cluster of 3. Now into the middle of our project, which is right here to the center, we're going to make 3 double crochet stitches into that center. That's 1, 2, that's 3, we're going to chain 1, and again into the same space or the middle of our crochet project, we're going to make 3 more double crochet stitches. 1, that's 2, and this is 3. And we're going to make one final cluster into this space here. So we're going to yarn over into this space right here, make 3 double crochet stitches. This is what it looks like, and it should look like somewhat of a triangle so far. So what I'm going to do now, remember to pull on the tail to seal off that end. Again, we're going to flip our project over and chain 3 into the same space that we would have chained 3. We're going to yarn over and make 2 more double crochet stitches. And again into the next space, yarn over 3 double crochet stitches, 3 more double crochet stitches into this middle piece, sorry. Chain 1, 3 more double crochet stitches into the same middle space. I make 3 more double crochet stitches into this space here. After we've made our 3 clusters into that next space on top here, we're going to flip our project over again and chain 3 and repeat the pattern into the same space. Make 2 more double crochet stitches, big cluster of 3 in total, because the first chain 3 would have acted as double crochet stitch. And into each space again, we are going to make another cluster of 3 double crochet stitches. You can continue and repeat this pattern until you have a total of 10 or 12 rows. It's entirely up to you and how you want the headband to fit your overall head. So for me, I'm going to do a total of 12 rows, and I will meet you guys back after I've completed that. So again, the pattern is 3 clusters of double crochet stitches. When you reach the middle part of your project, you're gonna make 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1, and add 3 more double crochet stitches into the same space, and follow with clusters of 3 double crochet stitches into the rest of the space. So I've just made a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. You guys can continue, until you have a total of either 10 or 12 rows. So after we would have made our 12 rows of stitches, let me just count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After we've made our 12 rows, we are now going to make the edging of our bandana. So we are going to make one single crochet into the first stitch. Well, actually, we're going to flip our project over and we're going to make one single crochet into the first stitch here from our project, like that. Into the next piece, which is right here, we're going to make 7 double crochet stitches. This will form a sort of curve, as you can see on the edge of the bandana. Into the next stitch, we are going to make another single crochet stitch, and then in the next stitch 7 double crochet stitches. So as you can see, the pattern is single crochet stitch, 7 double crochet stitches, single crochet stitch, 7 crochet stitches. So you guys can continue repeating this pattern all the way until we've reached the middle of our project, and I'll meet you guys back then. I'll meet you guys back when we've almost reached the center. So after we have finished with the pattern, into the middle, just before the middle, we should have 7 double crochet stitches into that space. Now into the middle, what we're going to do, instead of putting another single crochet stitch following the pattern of before into the middle stitch, what we're going to do is we're going to make 14 double crochet stitches. We're first going to make 7, chain 1, and insert another 7 double crochet. And then chain 1, insert another 7 double crochet stitches. This is what it looks like. And then repeat into the next piece with 7 double crochet stitches. This is what it looks like. You guys can continue following the pattern, and I'll meet you guys back at this end. And this is what, after we've made the edging, your bandana should look like. So what we're going to do, we're going to prepare for our handles of our bandana, and we are going to chain 35 to 40. I'm going to make a total of 40 chains. So I'm going to make a total of 40 chains to my handle, and I'll meet you guys back. So after we've made 40 chains for one side of our handle, what we're gonna do is we are going to make double crochet stitches into the chains for a thicker or stronger handle. I'm just gonna yarn over, and you guys can do this. You can either make single crochet or double crochet stitches. I think I'm gonna make half double crochet stitches instead of the double crochet stitches all the way until the end of our handle. So you guys can continue doing this, and I will meet you at the end. So after we've made half double crochet stitches all the way until the end of our row here, we are going to make single crochet stitches all the way at the top of our bandana all the way until this end. So you guys can make single crochet stitches. I'll meet you back here. So after we've made single crochet stitches into not each space, but like, you have to really find and see where you can make single crochet stitches, because it doesn't have like a specific space to make them. So after you've made the single crochet stitches there, we're going to follow the same thing we did on this side. We're going to chain a total of 40, and we're going to make half double crochet stitches all the way until the end. So you guys can continue doing that, and I'll show you what the finished project looks like. So guys, after we've reached this row, just to close it off, we are just going to chain one, snip that project like that to seal off our crochet bandana. And of course, we can either weave in the ends or cut them. I choose to just cut them because I want a flawless finish. So yeah guys, this is what the crochet bandana looks like after it's completed. As you can see, it literally bends in half. So just make sure how much ever rows you decide to do, that it's divisible by 2, so that when it folds in half, it can be symmetrical. So guys, if you've watched to the end of today's video, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.